Congratulations! You've almost completed your first module. This final video shows you how to dismantle your saxophone and clean it after playing. This is really important to keep your saxophone in good condition and to stop it from smelling. First, remove the crook and mouthpiece by unscrewing the screw at the top of the saxophone body. Cover the mouthpiece with the guard and leave these parts to one side. Unhook the main bell from your neck strap. Take your cleaner and run it through the instrument, starting at the horn end. Once done, replace the end plug and return the main body to your case. Separate the crook from the mouthpiece and run your cleaner through it. Return it to the case afterwards. Finally, remove the mouthpiece cap. Unscrew your ligature and remove your reed. Place this back in a plastic case. Then run the cleaner through the mouthpiece to collect all the spit. Return your mouthpiece to the correct storage position in your case, keeping the ligature and mouthpiece cap on. Well done! You now know how to dismantle your saxophone.